Nairobi Stock Exchange is launching day trading. Basically, now you can make money in a day. Just get into the market, make your money, and out of the market. Do you know about day trading? Do you know you could not day trade in Nairobi Stock Exchange? Which is something very interesting to think about because this is something that should be very normal, right? But yes, Nairobi Stock Exchange is now going to launch day trading. And what it means is basically you are in a position to now go and buy stocks or shares of a particular company, take advantage of the price fluctuations within the day. You can buy and sell within the day. You can also enter multiple positions within a day and make money. This is basically a full-time job. There are people who do this and they make lots of money. So remember, come for coaching on how to trade, how to analyze the markets. I can provide the service, and then you can start taking advantage of trading in Nairobi Stock Exchange very easily. So if you are someone who is looking into profiting from daily fluctuations, from short-term price fluctuations, from short-term price movements, or let's say you have some insider knowledge. I didn't say that. If you have some information that you think will help you trade better, make more money from a particular company, why not? So for example, if you are in a particular company and you know what's going to happen in the next few days or months, then you could actually wait for that day, trade the stocks, and boom, millions within a day, right? Okay, it won't be millions for sure unless you have a really, really big account, but it will be good money, right? So if it was trading at 10 and you catch it going to 15, 20, that's a lot of money, Now you can trade with Nairobi Stock Exchange. And this is a news that just came in last week, 22nd of November. The Capital Markets Authority has allowed the Nairobi Stock Exchange to introduce that platform whereby you can trade. Now remember, you must always have a CDSC account for you to be able to trade, but we're going to discuss that now. And here at MoneyMatters, we talk about the money mindset, how to make that money, how to enjoy that money, how to manage that money, how to invest that money, and how to assure yourself of a lifetime of income. Basically, financial freedom. That's what we're working for, guys, right? So what does day trading portend for a normal investor at Nairobi Stock Exchange? What does it involve? What are the advantages we're looking at here? And how do you prepare for it? And how do you take advantage of this particular opportunity? And how does it help the country, generally speaking, not just the country, but this particular stock exchange that we are part of? So before we go on, day trading allows a stock exchange to have liquidity. So when most people are coming in and out of the market, pushing in money, pushing out money, moving shares, basically you buy a share, you sell a share, you provide liquidity and you provide turnover. So whereby there has been a flat move in a particular share, likely there will be some move because people will be buying expecting to sell, or people will be short selling them. Short selling here would basically mean you are betting on the price of a particular stock to go down. So if according to my analysis, which will be basically technical analysis, I'm betting on Safaricom stocks to go down tomorrow, I would trade Safaricom stocks tomorrow in the morning, probably take advantage of it, bet that it's going to go down, do what you call a short sell, and when it goes down, I buy back, and then you make your profit. It's a very interesting concept to grasp, but short selling is a very common thing in Forex trading. Those who have come to Forex trading classes, you know about short selling. So with short selling, basically you're betting on the price of a particular stock to go down instead of going up. So like I say, it will provide liquidity in the market, and you also want to trade stocks that have liquidity. So if you're going to be trading in Nairobi Stock Exchange, if you're going to be day trading, you need to look for stocks that have liquidity. Don't go for stocks that will not move, because you could buy a stock in the morning and then wait the whole day for that stock to make any single move. Nobody's in the market. So you always want to look at volume. And that's why I'm saying you need to come for training on technical analysis if you want to probably take advantage of the charting system in that particular platform. I do not know the platform that it's going to be, but we're going to see when it comes on 22nd. They haven't given so much information about that. I don't know if they're going to have their own platform when it's being done, or they're going to have an external platform through which you can do the day trading. So again, that's something we wait to see. Of course, they have also mentioned that you'll be using your CDSC account, which you must always have if you're going to buy stocks in Kenya. So let's wait for 22nd of November, and then we will see how we can actually take advantage of these things. Like I say, if you can do technical analysis, you can take advantage of price fluctuations within the day and make really good money. Again, you have to be serious with it. You have to learn the skill of technical analysis. You have to learn the skill of choosing the right stocks to actually day trade. And you have to know what you're doing, not just basically gambling. So one thing you must also know that the reason they're now introducing intraday trading, what we call the day trading, is that a lot of people lobbied for this particular option to be there because there are people who want to take advantage of price movements within the day. You don't want to wait for a number of days before you sell back your stocks. You don't want to wait for a number of days before you buy back your stocks. So you want to decide now that I want to enter the market in the morning, and in the next 2-3 hours I'm out of the market. I want to enter again and get out of the market, basically taking advantage of the different time frames. So let's say you're trading the 5 minutes or the 10 minutes or the 1 hour. It would mean then after a few hours, you want to get out of the market and back in again. So the other advantage is that you are allowed to get into the market multiple times, and that gives you the advantage of making more money. So if you know there will be price fluctuations within the day of a particular stock, it could be going up and down, you'd want to take advantage of all those fluctuations and make money. It's basically price movement. And in a particular day, you could find that there are several points of price. So it could be moving from 11 to 12, for example, 12 to 13, it comes from 13 to 12, 12 to 11, 11 to 10. So all those price fluctuations gives a trader lots of opportunities. So the major advantage of this is opportunities in the market. Instead of you waiting forever to sell your stocks, then you can now just do it within the day, in and out. So it's a proper activity, requires skill, requires intensity, requires focus, requires lots of understanding in terms of which stocks are you going to be trading. So one of the things that Nairobi Stock Exchange has introduced in order to encourage people to start day trading is that they will levy less fee on the second leg of your transaction. What this means is usually for every transaction, they will charge you probably 0.12% on any particular trade. So if I buy Safaricom stocks, I will be charged a percentage. And then when I sell it again, they will charge a certain amount of money. So now they're saying that the second leg of your transaction will be much less. So it will be 0.114 instead of 0.12. This has not been properly explained, but again, we're going to see how this thing is going to pan out in clear terms in the next 2 weeks or so. So 22nd, we will definitely have a very clear format of how is this going to work out, how they're going to implement all these things that they're saying. The other advantage of day trading is that you will be able to enjoy these benefits directly through your trading account. Now, that's very important. You don't want to be involved with a third party when you're day trading. You basically want to do it directly into the market. So these benefits, the money you make, everything will be straight into your trading account. That's an advantage for most traders, right? You don't want to be paying lots of fees using other people to do this for you. If you learn how to do this, how to trade, then you're able to enjoy all these benefits straight into your account. So there are many advantages with regards to day trading. But like I always say, day trading is very good for liquidity. It's not an investment. This is not an investment. Day trading can be a cash flow opportunity. It can be an opportunity to make more money, an opportunity to learn a new skill, an opportunity for a side hustle, an opportunity to basically just study the markets and understand what's happening. So that's how you look at it. That's how you view it. Don't view it as a gambling opportunity or somewhere you want to go and make millions in one day. That's how you lose money. One thing you must also understand with day trading is that it's a lot riskier than any other type of investment. So you need to learn that skill. You need to focus on learning the skill first before you jump into the markets and start just gambling, basically. So basically, these are some of the measures that the Nairobi Stock Exchange is taking in order to rebound after the pandemic. And like I said, this will include a loss of liquidity. If you have a stock that most people are trading, you're likely to profit off it very fast and get out of the market. You just have to be smart about how you do your day trading. But again, it's an opportunity for people to start making money. It's an opportunity to start making cash flow. It's an opportunity to have a side hustle, to learn a new skill, and to understand the financial markets. So day trading in Nairobi Stock Exchange is definitely a good move. Day trading is basically the process of buying or purchasing a particular security within a particular trading session or within the particular day, or you can also do it multiple times a day. So if you basically buy something, close the position within a day, or buy something, close it, buy again, close it, you're basically day trading. So as long as it's within a particular session or within a particular day, that's what we refer to as day trading. So it means if I buy Safaricom stocks, I want to close that position today. I'm not planning to invest it for 1 month, 2 months, or whatever. I'm basically doing it within the particular day. So I'll buy it in the morning, by 12 noon, sold. And then probably wait for another opportunity at 2 or 3, buy another one. By the time the markets are closing, I'm out of my position. That's what you call day trading. But you have to understand the technical analysis behind it. You have to understand the price fluctuations. You have to understand the stock too. So don't just do it for the sake of doing it. Like I said, guys, feel free to come for help in terms of even learning technical analysis, getting more information on day trading. Thanks, MoneyMatters, for coaching. Please don't come if you know you don't want coaching. If you know you want coaching, if you know you want help, come and then we will agree. You know, my charges are very open on my website. We will agree on how to basically go through it, and I'll help you do these things quite effectively and quite easily. Guys, thank you. I hope this has helped you answer some of your questions on day trading, and you're now prepared for this opportunity. And when it happens, I'm going to do another video later just to look at the platform. How are people doing it? How does it happen? Does people make money through it? So stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe, and let's wait for more opportunities to come. Soon, we're going to be doing another video on, again, Nairobi Stock Exchange market, probably next week. Get ready for that. We're going to be talking about MTN. We're going to be talking about index fund investing in Kenya coming up. We're going to be talking about investment opportunities in Africa coming up. Lots of stuff lined up. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Click that like button, subscribe, and comment, guys. Comment and share. Thank you, guys. See you next time.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party, come move around.